Back on Forest Road 23, the next stop is Fir Creek Falls, a beautiful three-tiered series of waterfalls tucked away and easy to miss. Sometimes waterfalls really are just water falling over a cliff, but there really is something majestic about these falls.
Forest Road 23 there. We have come to a gate here, but it says it is open to hiking. So we're gonna head down here and see if we can get to Fir Creek Falls. We've been searching and trying to find a way to do that. A lot of the maps, hiking maps like All Trails, Washington Trails Association, Google Maps, nothing is showing a clear way to get there. So this is our exploration to see if we can do that. Hiking along the road here, you see it coming down right here. And you can hear it down there. If I super zoom in, you can kind of see it flowing a little bit through there. Certainly not the falls, but it's flowing through. Looks like there's no way to get down there though. It switches back a little bit and it just keeps going that way, further away from Fir Creek Falls. There is no way that we're gonna be able to make it down there. There are no trails, at least from this side. I don't know, there is a road on the other side over there, but instead of trying to get to it, I'm going to send the drone out and take a look at it to see what it looks like. Off in the distance though, before we do that, you can see Mount Rainier. Just zoom in. There we go. All right, so let's send the drone out, go take a look at the fall, see what it looks like. All right, that was pretty awesome. So I just sent the drone out there and you can see it looked like a three-tier falls, a little bit of a pool at the bottom of the first one, or it kind of forked off a little bit. It looked pretty awesome. So I hope you enjoyed the footage of that and got a good view of the falls there. Even if we can't hike down to it, we still got to see what it looks like. That's a pretty good one.